I'm Om, and as you know, I do pencil drawings. Hi, in this video I am sharing my 8 secret tips. Don't choose the reference photo too early. Many people choose a reference photo too early and don't look at its details. This is the first biggest mistake. For example, don't use overexposed photos, don't use underexposed photos, don't use blur photos, don't use dark photos, don't use flashlight photos, don't use magazines and small photos, and don't edit too much, only apply contrast and brightness wherever needed. How to hold a pencil. People think that there is only one style of holding a pencil. This is a tripod grip, holding the pencil by your thumb, index and middle finger. I use this grip to draw small lines and details. This is the overhand grip. Holding the pencil by all your fingers, your hand should be relaxed. I use this grip to draw big lines and guidelines. I use the tripod grip to draw small details and the overhand grip to draw guidelines and shape of the face. Here I am trying to draw a quick sketch of an eye. See how I use the overhand grip to draw guidelines and the tripod grip to finish it. It makes easier to draw by using the guidelines, and the overhand grip makes it easier to draw the guidelines. How to shade. As we are talking about the shading of the reference photo, we can use both the tripod and overhand grip as comfortable to us. I don't draw straight lines because it does not give a smooth effect. So I color in a circular mode. At the beginning, don't color harsh and dark lines. First use the faint lines and then goes on to dark it. Texture of the skin. I use cutter for the skin texture. Believe me, this is the best technique I have ever used. This technique starts from two colors. The first one should be light and second one should be dark. Here I am using white and violet. Here we have to use the second color on the first color, which is dark color on the light color. And here's the main technique. Use the cutter nib to remove the dark color. You will get very thin lines of the white color, which is very beautiful. We can use any sharp thing to do this. All professional artists use this tip, but no one will tell you. It is not possible for us to leave the white part for the texture. Hence, this is the best life hacking technique. Indenting tool and cutter for drawing hairs. These are the most ideal tools for drawing hairs. Starts by making lines on the paper by indenting tool, and after using the edge of the pencil these white lines appears. Now we will use this same technique to draw colored hairs. Now here we will also use the cutter technique to draw thin hairs. So for that we have to use the light color. I am using here white. The main thing which we have to keep in mind while drawing hairs is that our pencil should be very sharp. If it's not, it will not give a realistic effect. See first how I draw the faint lines and then darken them. Here's come my favorite part, using the cutter for drawing the thin hairs. Contrast. Most of the beginners use very less contrast to their drawings, which is absolutely wrong. Using a perfect contrast gives a professional effect to your drawing. Perfection of the eye. The main part of the drawing is the eye. I am not saying that the rest are not, but for beginners it is very necessary to draw a perfect eye for bringing the character. So I think that starting from the eye is good, because the mind of the beginner artist is well concentrated at the beginning and then it's get tired as you move towards the end. Yeah, it's true. The highlight must be bright. As we give the highlight in the middle of the drawing, it becomes dull as we move towards the end. So this step is to make the highlight as bright as you can, because the highlight is responsible for the 3Dness of the drawing. I use paint to brighten the highlight, and according to my experience, paint is an excellent option. I always start my drawing by seeing this photo. Sorry, this is not a photo, this is a drawing drawn by Heather Ruini. After watching this drawing, I dream to draw like this and give 200% to my drawing. Due to this passion, my drawings are improved. So having role model and tries to copy them, this passion can probably improve your drawing. My role models are Heather Ruini, Zocart, Proco and Jono Dry. And these are one of the best artists I have ever seen. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends who loves drawing, and all the best.